If you're over 60, your body is quietly losing muscle every single year, even if you still feel strong. The problem? Once it starts, the process speeds up. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it affects nearly 1 in 3 older adults. If you ignore it, it can take away your independence, make everyday tasks harder, and increase your risk of falls. But there's good news. There's one nutrient that can slow, or even stop, this muscle loss in its tracks, an amino acid called leucine. Today, we're counting down the top 7 leucine-rich foods seniors must eat, from least to beast, that can help you rebuild lost muscle, prevent sarcopenia, and keep you strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Muscle repair needs a spark like leucine. Think of your muscles like a light bulb. When you were younger, the switch flipped on easily after a protein-rich meal. But after 60, that switch gets rusty. You need more leucine at each meal to flip it, about 2.5 to 3 grams. Without it, the light fades, one muscle fiber at a time. Stick around, because number 3, it's a food most people think is unhealthy. But for your muscles, it could be the smartest thing you eat all week. At number 7, we have lean chicken breast. A 3-ounce serving has about 2.7 grams of leucine, enough to almost meet your per-meal target in one go. Here's the magic. Leucine in chicken sends a loud, clear signal to your muscles to start repairing themselves immediately. For seniors, this is critical because the body's natural repair signal weakens with age. Eating chicken breast 2 or 3 times a week is like sending a construction crew to your muscles with fresh blueprints, keeping your muscle fibers strong, preventing breakdown, and slowing the advance of sarcopenia. And if you think chicken is easy to prepare, wait until you see the next food. Ready in 5 minutes and just as powerful for muscle health. Number 6 is eggs, nature's ready-made protein package. 1 egg contains about 0.5 grams of leucine. A breakfast of 3-4 eggs delivers 1.52 grams, putting you well on your way to that 2.53 gram goal. Here's why eggs are special. Their leucine is highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs it quickly and starts muscle repair fast. This helps replace damaged muscle tissue before it can waste away, a key step in fighting sarcopenia. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are the ultimate morning muscle wake-up call. Eating them regularly is like giving your muscles a daily tune-up, preventing the slow decline that many mistake for just getting older. Enjoying this? Tap that like button so more seniors can find it too. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more powerful tips coming your way. At number 5, we've got Greek yogurt, plain and unsweetened for the best results. 1 cup gives you about 1.2 grams of leucine, along with a high amount of total protein. While it won't meet your leucine goal alone, pairing it with nuts or a scoop of whey protein can hit that sweet spot. Why it helps? The combination of leucine and casein protein in Greek yogurt means you get both an immediate repair boost and a steady trickle of amino acids over several hours. Think of it like patching a roof. Leucine starts the repair, and casein keeps the workers on the job until it's done. This steady repair is a key weapon against sarcopenia's slow creep. But if dairy's not your thing, the next food proves plants can play in the big leagues of muscle preservation too. Number 4 is lentils, a plant-based, high-protein muscle helper. 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 0.6 grams of leucine. Alone, that's not enough to hit your per-meal goal, but combine lentils with other plant proteins like quinoa or tofu, and you've got a complete leucine profile that activates muscle repair in seniors. For those avoiding meat, lentils are like the foundation stones of a building. They're not the entire structure, but without them, the building won't stand. Regularly eating lentils keeps the building blocks of your muscles stocked, helping prevent the slow erosion sarcopenia causes. Speaking of building muscle fast, number 3 delivers almost your entire leucine target in 1 serving. And it's probably not what you expect. At number 3, we have lean beef. Just 3 ounces contain about 2.6 grams of leucine, enough to flip the muscle repair switch on its own. Here's why that matters. For seniors, beef's dense leucine content acts like hitting the fast-forward button on muscle rebuilding. You're giving your muscles all the raw material they need in one go, helping reverse some of the loss caused by years of understimulated repair. Lean beef also contains creatine and iron, which support muscle contraction and oxygen delivery, both vital for maintaining strength and preventing the weakness that leads to falls in older adults. But if you want something leaner, lighter, and with extra benefits for brain health, the next pick is perfect. Number 2 is tuna, especially canned light tuna in water. 3 ounces give you about 2.5 grams of leucine, just shy of the goal, but enough to strongly trigger muscle repair. For seniors, tuna is like a precision tool. It delivers leucine directly to muscle tissue, helping rebuild fibers damaged by everyday use and preventing the shrinking effect of sarcopenia. Plus, its high protein-to-calorie ratio means you can get the repair benefits without overeating. Important if appetite is smaller in later years. And now, the beast. This last one delivers your entire leucine goal in a single scoop. No stove required. At number 1, the muscle-building beast, whey protein powder. 1 scoop contains 2.53 grams of leucine, hitting your per-meal target perfectly. And because whey digests fast, the leucine reaches your muscles quickly, flipping the repair switch in minutes. For seniors struggling with appetite or chewing, this is a game changer. You can drink it as a shake, blend it with fruit, or even stir it into oatmeal or yogurt. Every serving is like sending a rapid response repair crew straight to your muscles, rebuilding fibers before sarcopenia can take more ground. To make this simple, aim for 2.53 grams of leucine at each meal. Here's a simple meal plan with leucine-rich foods to keep you strong all day. For breakfast, have 3 eggs along with Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries. At lunchtime, enjoy a serving of chicken breast paired with a hearty lentil salad. For a snack, have a whey protein shake. For dinner, finish the day with tuna served alongside vegetables and quinoa. Do this daily, and you'll be actively fighting muscle loss every single day. If you've been told muscle loss is just part of aging, it's not the full story. You can slow it down, you can reverse it, but you have to act now. If this video helped you, click like so more seniors can find it and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. The top 3 exercises to boost leg strength after 60. These will pair perfectly with today's foods for maximum results. Remember, muscle is your independence. It's what lets you carry groceries, get out of a chair without help, and stay active with your loved ones. Add these leucine-rich foods to your meals, hit that 2.53 gram target, and you'll be taking real, science-backed steps to prevent sarcopenia and stay strong for years to come. So, which of these foods will you start with this week? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll make your legs as strong as your determination.